What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. And yeah, I was about to go home, but I did get a heads up from one of the homies, one of you guys, that they might have something here, so had to stop by. We are at the Westfield Fashion Square out in Sherman Oaks. And the homie Benji gave me a little heads up, so let's go see if they got what I need. All right, it's been a few hours since Benji told me about this, but we still gotta try, man. We still gotta try it. Let's go. These aren't like super hype, so let's go. And it's still here. It is still here. It is still here. The homie let me know that they had a size 10 here. Man, 70 bucks or $90 off. And on top of that, I got a little extra discount I have. I rarely ever try on sneakers, especially at a retail shop. Usually I try them on just at the outlets, but I already know I'm gonna grab them. That's why I'm just putting them on. $70. Good looking out, dog. Holy crap. So these are the Reebok Omnis. I kind of like the way the 10 fits more than the 10.5, to be honest. Yeah, I think so. I do have a pair of 10.5s at home. I also have a size 10 for different colorway, because you know, they were selling out way back when. But yeah, I'm gonna have to grab these. Damn, 70 bucks, yo. So she's getting the box and stuff right now. Do you got these? Got like a plastic Nike sign over. Okay, that's kind of weird. Looks like it's grade school. Also got these right here. This is a women's. Oh, that's small, size 8. Oh, it's a men's size. My bad. But yeah, the inside outs. They do got these here. Space Jam mids. I thought these were like hard to find, but apparently they got them at a few spots now. Okay. Jordans. Oh, we saw that already. A couple more on the bottom right there. Zoom Flight 95s right here. I did gloss over these. This is okay. Black and gold. Decent. Oh, we got, ooh. It's like suede on half, and then it's like suede on that side, and it's like new regular bucklet on that side. Okay. There are more tempos. And then of course we've been seeing dunks, and more dunks. What, 125 for those dunks. But yeah, this was the come up. All right, let's go talk about it. I'm gonna find a seat and we're gonna talk about this. This is fire. Maybe this might be a shorter vlog. I kind of want to go home. I got stuff to do. But yeah, grab these. These are just fire. Such a fan of these sneakers. Perfect condition, other than me wearing them right there. But yeah, the box is kind of beat up. I really don't care about that because it's gonna be mine. The material on this pretty decent. Not like great, but it's soft. It's soft. I don't know. I'm a fan of these. This is for nostalgia's sake. Like, the Omnis are like one of my favorite sneakers. I just love them, and I know they're not super hyped, which is perfect for me. All right, guys, so here is the receipt. So they were $70, and then I used a $20 coupon. You remember those points that you get? You accumulate those points whenever you buy stuff. You can use them for coupons, man. Lately, I have not gotten exclusive access for nothing, so I just used it. I used it as a coupon, like on the way here, man. I redeemed it for a coupon on the drive here. $20 off, $50, dude. $50 for Omnis. Dude, $50 for that. That is ridiculous. Man, so happy about that. All right, yeah, I need to go home, but we still got to stop by a couple of these stops, sneaker shops, right? Let's go see what's up with this Footlocker. There's a Shoe Palace. We'll stop by real quick. See what's up. Damn, they still got these. People ain't into these, huh? People are not into these. I like those, man. I like them. Not enough to grab them, but I do like them. And I can't just pick up everything, you guys. Like damn, did I already bought 2 pairs today? Yeah, I just can't pick up everything. These are okay. I do want a pair of T-Max eventually. Do got the Gill Zeros. I am a fan of these. What the hell is this? I've never seen this colorway. Man, if it didn't have that animal or the snake skin, this would be fire. If that part was white, like, this would be fire. This is out there, man. It's like, I love that thing on the tongue. Like this is fire, dude. This is fire. Oh man, the snakeskin. I'm just not a fan of snakeskin. I'm not gonna lie. I've never really liked sneakers with snakeskin on it. If it didn't have that, I would definitely buy that. Damn, they're coming out with a ton of colorways for the Gill Zeros. This is fire. This one is dope. I'm not gonna lie. I think I like this one. This one is fire. This one's dope. Oh man, it is patent leather though. But yeah, I really like that color blocking. I'm a fan of that. This one's cool. This one's cool. This one's all right. This one's dope. This one's dope. I did get this one. Shout out to Bosco. Definitely appreciate Bosco for hooking me up with this one. This one's just fire, dude. This one's fire. He did score 60 on the Lakers. That's dope. And then got a suede one right here. This is pretty fire too. Got the Benjis right there, but with the gills. That's hilarious. I like the suede on this one too. Suede's pretty fire on this. $100. Normally $150, so that's pretty dope. They don't have my favorite colorway here. I should have copped it, but I was hoping they'd go on sale. Guess not. That is kind of what happens when you gamble. Sometimes, you know, you're not able to get all the colorways you want, but you save that money. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. I feel like I should be playing that money. I feel like I should be playing that song "Say That Money" from Lil Dicky. That should be like on the background. Say that money. That's funny. All right, let's look around some more. Gel 3s. I'm a fan of the Gel 3s. These are pretty dope. Got suede. Got some nylon on it. Okay, it's pretty dope. Pretty dope. $130. Maybe if that goes on sale, maybe. Got the all white ones right here for $110. This is their Jordan section. Damn, Hollywood definitely is different, huh? Hollywood in another planet. It's like a different, yeah, it's totally different. But yeah, I got these right here, the Air Morph Tempos. Air Morph Tempo is one of my favorite silhouettes. Man, I just freaking love these. Man, if the price is right, I might have to start grabbing more. Right, they are all on sale. That is pretty fire. Oh, got that bread, or yeah, the bread colorway, Chicago colorway up there. Got these LeBrons. I've never seen these in person. Ooh, this is different. Whoa, this suede, not the softest suede, but wow, that's way different from all the other LeBrons. Wow, I wonder how this is like performance-wise. This looks very luxurious. Holy crap, this looks hella nice. Holy crap. That's fire. That's fire. I've never seen that before. Never seen that. Looking for anything new. Looking for any great sales. All right. I think we're gonna have to go to the next spot. Man, I hope this vlog ain't too short, but man, I gotta go, dude. Gotta go. All right, one more shop to hit up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, one last stop. Dude got a Shoe Palace here. Jordan section right here. Damn, I've never even seen this one. New York Knicks mids right here. These are pretty clean, dude. These are pretty clean. Obviously, I'm not like the hugest fan of the mids, you know, the material stuff like that. But that's a dope colorway though, man. That's dope. Nothing really standing out though. Kind of everything we've seen. Those mids were fire though. Bunch of 550s. Remember these being tough to get? Dude, this colorway's actually dope. This colorway and the material. Look at the material on this. Like, look, I'm like a big fan of the material. Like, look at this leather, like versus this leather. This is like all plasticky. This one's like super. Oh my god, the colorway is way better too. Oh, but it is a premium 130 versus 110. So, okay, but I'd rather pay a little bit more for that. That's fire. The 2002 Rs, got a bunch of those, of course. Those go for $140. Oh, I've never seen this Chuck right here with the LA on it. Dodgers color too. Okay, $70 for this one. Damn, dude, everything's going up. Holy crap, that's not even a freaking Chuck 70 either. And dude got a Niners colorway. I doubt they have my size. Damn, dude, I can't buy another one, dude. I can't buy another one. I've already bought 2 sneakers today. Yeah, I definitely need to chill. Dude got the Kyries here, $70. Looks like Shoe Palace overall just dropped their prices to $7 on the Kyries. Dude got a couple Air Max 97s for $100. And I think that's about it, man. I think that's about it. I gotta go, man. Wrap it up. All right, guys, that was a quicker vlog. Pretty much, I just went there to pick these sneakers up, to be really honest. Box, a little bit jacked up. I don't know if you can see the indent right there. But, yeah, it's not in perfect condition. But the sneakers, they're in great condition. That's all I really care about. Was able to snag these for $50. $50 freaking after the I don't know, what is it, the points, the gift card that I did get, or coupon, whatever the hell it is. But yeah, let's talk about how some of the sales work. This was the last pair of that silhouette, and one thing I've noticed, a lot of shops do this, but if they just have 1 or 2 sneakers left, or 1 or 2 pairs left of a certain silhouette, certain colorway, whatever, they will clearance the hell out of those because they want to hurry up and get that gone, and then they can fill it with regular price stuff, or they could fill it with, you know, some sneakers where they actually have plenty of sizes on. Because, yeah, we found a bunch of freaking deals there. I've found the, I think I got the Currys, the Curry 8s. They had 1 left, and I think I bought those for $30. I ended up giving it to one of my kids' friends. But yeah, that definitely does happen. And the only way you know about those is if you kind of, you know, hit up a few shops here and there. You know what I'm saying? Like one thing that I do quite a lot is I'll just stop by random places on the way home from work, and you know, even if I don't find anything, it's like I'm not really spending extra gas and stuff to get there, so you know, that's not that much of a waste. That's kind of how a lot of the resellers, like, you know, they'll hit up 10, 15 different places during the day, almost every day, so that's kind of how they find stuff. So yeah, it takes a lot of work, man. It takes a lot of work, but it does pay off once in a while. Not all the time, but it does pay off once in a while. But yeah, that's pretty much about it, man. Pretty much about it. This is probably the last pair of sneaker that you're gonna see me buy in a while, for a while now. You know, I'll probably get the Jordan 3 reimagined, stuff like that. But I'm in the process of rebuilding my computer, or getting a new computer, because processing times, this YouTube thing, man, it's time consuming as hell. The rendering times are crazy. Right now, I think for each video, it takes me, what, 40 minutes to an hour to render the videos, which means to process, for the computer to process after I've already edited the video. So I'm trying to get that number down, because yeah, I'm losing a lot of sleep and stuff waiting for it to render, because I do it at night so y'all can watch the videos in the morning, or I try to release the videos so you guys can watch it in the morning, can watch it during the day, whenever you guys want. So that computer build probably gonna cost me about close to $4,000. Probably gonna cost me close to $4,000. So yeah, probably won't be buying tons and tons of sneakers. I definitely won't be paying close to 50 pairs like I did last year, because yeah, man, I got expenses, man. Just bought furniture and stuff too. So yeah, man, if you guys do want to donate, make sure you guys hit that super thanks or whatever. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. I've never really solicited for donations, but hey, man, brother probably could use it a little right now. But it is what it is. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for making it to the end, you guys. Y'all know how much that means to me. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Hopefully you guys are finding some steals and deals. I think there's going to be more and more steals and deals coming within the next few months, because man, yeah, our economy sucks right now. So but yeah, hope you guys are not going into debt. Make sure you guys don't go into debt. Make sure you guys are doing well. And yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.